Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey, Gary here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright, so we using only one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts. We only going to use one though, so I can show you the results of just one account and just getting started, guys. And that's all I'm going to do here. That's all I'm going to do. And it's the simplest, most easiest way to make money online. I do not kid you. It is very easy to do this. Alright guys, so anyway, all you gotta do is like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. So first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting a $25 business, guys. Essentially, it's because of its affiliate system, and its affiliate system reward is very generous. It is 80% recurring income, which is the highest I've ever heard from anyone anywhere, period. Alright guys, that's as high as it gets. 80% recurring is ridiculous. Alright, so yeah, that's the way I saw it, and I was like, yo, I gotta try this out. So that's how that went. And you don't really need that many sales to really get rolling. You know, you get some sales, they slowly add up. And if you notice, I'm not getting too many sales, but I'm getting a whole lot of rebuilds. There's a lot of people staying in the system. But anyway, guys, it's a less risky option. You know what I mean, when it comes to trying to promote, trying to continuously get sales. You know, and this is just the laziest way to do it. All right, so anyway, let's look at our results here. We're gonna refresh the page. All right, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a problem. So if you guys want to follow exactly what I'm doing, I'm going to show you exactly what I do here and how to get to it. All right, first off, you need to get to this page and be able to get this affiliate link here. So first off, you on my video here, you just scroll down here and you're going to see my description here. Click on that, open it up, you're going to see step 1. You just click on step 1, it say incomespeech.sales. You just click on that, it's going to take you to this page here. What this page here do is explain how much money you can make and all that with all-in-one $25 business and all that good stuff. Watch the video if you want. But once you decide you want to try it out, you just click yes, I want in, right? You click yes, I want in, it'll take you to this page here. This is the information sign up page here. Very simple process here. If you wish, you can you can go ahead, come through and buy that right there. But one thing I want to clarify when you're on this page here, I recommend getting this. I want to explain what this is real quick. This is HBA Premium. It shows you how to get traffic and people to get sales to your product. I don't do any of this, guys, except maybe YouTube. That's all. But I don't do any of this. All right, I just do a very simple method that I found works for me, and it can work for you. But yeah, it got training. You can do that, teach you how to do ads and stuff like that, which is very, very relevant, and it's constantly updated. It also has a content machine that you could just ask it for information, like you want an email, you want an article, want to help, you know, you want a caption for your Instagram post, stuff like that, and you could just ask it. It also has that, but it's $125 a month, guys. All right, for 2 weeks, and I recommend getting it for free for 2 weeks. When you click on my description, you'll get it for 2 weeks for free. And the reason why I recommend getting it for 2 weeks for free is because you have to own the product to sell the product, so to speak. That's the reason why it's 80% recurring income. You have to actually own the product to sell it, which is I promise you, it's still the best affiliate marketing deal you'll ever find. There's nothing better than that. But yeah. So what that means is, if you were to come through, don't get this, and get the $25 one commission, right? And then you get somebody in the system that does get this and the $25. Now you will get $20 off the $25 because you own the $25 business. But you will not get the $100 from this $125 because you do not own this product. All right, so I just want to explain that real quick. Now let's keep it moving. You'll get to a page that looks something like this. It'll look very similar to this at the top here. This is the only part you need to focus on here. You just click on affiliate zone. You click on affiliate zone, It'll take you to this page here. By the way, this video is explaining all of this. I'm just giving you a fast version of it. And what you want to do is sign up for the affiliate program here, and then you'll see here you can just put in basic information, right? Put in basic information, and you just log in the SoundCard. It's going to take you to this page here, and there you go. You just scroll down here to the all-in-one $25 business sale letter. That's what I've been selling personally. It's been working for me. You could try something else if you want to. That's the one that's been working for me, guys. All right, so we get that link there. All right, so we're done with step 1, guys. We got our link. All right, so in the next step here, I'm gonna say step 2, join my lead gen secrets. All right, guys, so we just click on that link. It's gonna take you to this page here, and basically what he's gonna explain is what the $25, what the my lead gen secrets is. Basically, at the end of the day, you get 100 leads every single day. You can mail every single day. All right, guys, and all of these leads you get are interested in making money online, which makes it perfect for the product that we're promoting on it. So we can get sales doing this. All right, so we just log in here real quick, like get in there, get in our account here. So we just gonna take it to we're gonna just take it to, you want to click on mailing system. Now you can try to master email swipes if you want to. You want to purchase those, they might work better, I don't know, but this what's been working for me. All right, so we're gonna go to mailing system here, and we're gonna click on all the leads here. All right, now you got my emails here, and we're gonna go to my next email on my list here, building my money up. My 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the emails I've been using, and they've been working really well for me. All right, guys. All right, so just gonna load it up, load one of my emails up there. All the rest of them emails in there, I just asked the system to give me, but these are the ones that have been working for me. So you can just copy that email if you wish to. Just copy that there. I want to see some. I want to try to make it a little bit more relevant here, because I think I just picked random numbers in there. It's been working, but I kind of want to, let me see something. I made $320 5 days. Okay, 320. Right, we just gonna load up my next email here. This is the next email we're gonna use here. It's 320. We're just gonna put 320. We just want a little bit of correlation. This is just for me. You don't really need to do this, because I put random numbers in there and it's still been working. I'm just doing it for my sake. But yeah, we're just gonna do that there. And that's all there is to it, guys. We're gonna hit perfect timing here. That's in the email around time people check emails. Put your link right here, by the way, guys. Put your link right there. Oh, did I let y'all copy the email? Hold up. You just pause it, copy it. Give y'all a chance to copy it right there if you wish to copy it here. Very simple here. Pause it, copy it. All right, that's all there is to it, right? Now you want to hit preview and make sure your link works. We're gonna just check that real quick. Yeah, it works. All right. That's all there is to that. We send an email. We're done. That's it. Finished. Finito. Now understand something. This is all you have to do once you get your link and stuff and get your emails in there. Get your 10 emails that I show you, or make some emails for yourself, whatever it may be. You do that real quick, and yeah, that's all you'll have to do. And it's a very simple process, as I showed you, and we're done, guys. That's it. All right, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.